If you're a wood-fed pole window cleaner, you're probably using a Uni-Valve. If you're not, you're definitely in the minority. But there's still people having problems with them. So in today's video, I'm going to show you the correct way to fit the Uni-Valve and how to avoid the most common problems people have. So I'd just like to say thanks to Steve from Exceed Innovations. He sent me the Uni-Valve and asked me to show you how to fit it. So let's go. So before we go any further, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Somewhere down the bottom corner down here there's a little round circle with the Squeaky Clean Dave logo on it. If you click that, you should go straight to the subscribe page. So to fit the Uni-Valve, you're going to need the Uni-Valve itself, two O-clips, they are 8 to 10 mil, a sharp knife, a set of pliers or O-ring clamps, a jar of hot water or a mug of hot water, and some silicone grease or some washing up liquid. I normally fit the Uni-Valve towards the top of the pole, but it doesn't actually matter. There's a question I heard the other day, did it matter where you fit the Uni-Valve? It doesn't actually matter where it goes, but I don't know why, I always fit it towards the top, so that's what I'm going to do. So you need to make sure you've got enough hose to come out and fit into your brush, and all you need to do is cut your hose. Using a sharp knife, do a nice clean cut across the hose. So you then got two parts. So what we need to do now is soak the hose in boiling water, hotter the better. So the first common mistake that people make when they fit the Uni-Valve is to put it on upside down. It does actually matter which way round you put these. If you have a look at it, the one end's got a cap on it. It's a bit easier to see it on this old one that I've got here. It's got the red cap on this one. On the blue one you can make it out, but it's all the same colour. It's just that's an older model. To fit the hose, all you need to do is get a little bit of silicone grease and put that on there. If you haven't got any silicone grease, you can use fairy liquid. And just put that around the top there. Get your hose out of the hot water, put your O-clip onto it, and then push it on. That, if you've got it warm, that should go on nice and easy. And then do that for the other end as well. Now the second most common mistake people make is pushing it on too far. If you have a look, there is a collar just there. You've got to make sure that you don't go past the collar. This is very important. If you do go past that collar, then it'll affect how you turn it on and off. All you need to do now is clamp the O-rings. Now this is where the third most common mistake's done. Don't use pliers. All this does is flattens the O-clip. It might sound strange, but some people are actually flattening the clip rather than clamping the ears. All that will do is distort the barbs, and you'll void your warranty by doing that. So with a pair of O-clip pliers, all you do is catch the clamp by the O-clip and tighten it up. So all you need to do now is clamp the downhill end, and what I like to do is get the two ears lined up in a row. Now it doesn't need to be too tight because you don't want to distort the barb. So once it's done, just test it, just give it a pull to open it and then release it, another pull to release it, and that shows you it's working. It sticks out a bit further when it's open and then closes up. So I hope that's answered a few questions for you on the most common problems that arise when you're fitting a Uni-Valve. If it has, please hit the thumbs up button. If you've got any comments, please leave them in the section below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the little bell icon next to it, and YouTube will notify you every time I release a video. Thanks for watching, bye for now.